In this video, I will show you how to create multiple Google Ads account using the same Gmail ID. Then click here. Then click on Create New Google Ads Account. Then click on Create New Account. Now click on outside of the pop-up. Now enter business name. Now enter your website URL. Now scroll down and click on Next. Now scroll down and click on Skip. Now scroll down and click on Skip again. Now click on Set up an account only. Now select billing country. Now select time zone. Now select currency. Now click on Continue. Now check all options. Now check your payment profile details, purpose of use, and payment method. If everything is okay, then scroll down and click on Submit. Now see, our account is created. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.